something very, very slow. Nice GT3 RS, I love the color. .488 challenge car. I just driven it, but not for today's video, a bit later. What I want to tell you is we have something very exciting for you coming up. I decided, out of nowhere, to do a world tour because I had to be in South Africa, or I still have to be in South Africa, to pick up a car. And then I thought, okay, I actually really always wanted to visit New Zealand. And while I'm in New Zealand, Australia is close by, I have friends there. And if I'm going to Australia, there are either two routes, through Singapore or Dubai. And I have friends in Dubai, so let's stop by here and do some things. So I managed to do all kinds of, to schedule every day, basically a track day in different continent, which is insane. So that's what you're gonna get. So today we're gonna have lots of Dubai driving, but first the introduction, there's a lots of like content changes in a good way. I'm having, well, as you can see, Simpson hybrid hunts, and attached to it is my new Stilo Venti helmet, so open face one, with DJI Nano attached to it, so we're gonna have POV for you guys. And aside from all the traditional cameras on the inside, to spice up the footage, I now will be also running Draghi Pro, which is pocket-sized telemetry system that you can check your laps, check your lap times, have predictive lap timing running in the car. Also, you have leaderboard, so you can actually brag with people who is fastest. So many people gonna be faster than I am in Dubai Autodrome and also other places. So this is actually very cool and very nice. So yeah, the very first piece of content, actually, I driven now Porsche GT3 with Vulcan Alpha Wing, and I forgot to shoot the intro for that because I was so excited and hyped. So enjoy there what happened thanks to Gear Up event. All right, it's been a while. It's been over a year that I've been here, so I need to remember where I go. So warm up the tires, first few laps, take it easy. See if all our gear is working as well. Okay, end of the fence, let's go on the brakes here. Way too early, but better be safe than sorry. Transitioning. Late turn-in. Late apex. I don't know if I'm allowed to overtake on both sides or just left side only. Oh, nice 3RS. D-line. Definitely good to have gonna brake much later through here, but later we'll be doing passenger laps. We should not get too excited. For the bump. The tires are way too hot now. I'm gonna come in after this one just to make sure that everything is working and recording. Also do the tire pressures. 227, I think it's something very, very slow. Alright, let's come in, drop the pressures and see where we're at. 2 bar, please.
Okay, 2 bar.
All right, so previous lap, my mic was not connected, so maybe you couldn't hear me, but we had this. All right, the tire pressures are now lower, so we should not be feeling as if we're like on the rolling skates. Oh yeah, the turning is much better now. There's actually front end grip, because before that it was like driving on blocks of wood. Nice GT3 RS, I love the color. Alright, 225 with some traffic. It's already, what, 10 seconds improvement? Not too bad. Okay, slightly bit too late on the brakes, but I'm missing some sticky rubber. 992 CRS, Cup 2s, Cup 2 Rs, of course. Trophy Rs. Still dropping the time, that's good. So the driving overall is improving, but then again there's also much less traffic. When we get sub 220, I think I'm happy. Come on. Ah, 221. All right. Well, not too bad. For the record, according to the Draghi app, the record is 2 minutes and something, like slightly over 2 minutes, by someone, of course, in the GT3 RS. Maybe even with the Mark kit and with all the goodies. So I think with a stock car, not knowing anything, I'm not too unhappy. Alright, let's pick up some passengers. You been on track before?
No.
Ah, so me neither.
Okay.
Hope you had fun.
So much.
Hope you had fun.
Incredible. Incredible.
Epic. Now that was fun, the taxi laps as well. And after that, also what I forgot to shoot the intro of, I had a chance to drive a Porsche GT2 RS of a 991 generation. So yeah, here is how it went, and see the difference. The speeds are insane, but it feels, the platforms feel so much more challenging. You would say even outdated compared to 992. So even with a much slower car, you were actually faster. So that was interesting. Yeah.
And then TCR.
Uh-huh.
And then this has always been the dream car.
Yes.
And then to do the Carrera Cup, to drive this better,
Yeah.
do the Carrera Cup.
Yeah.
It's quite a handful anyway, is it? Without the non-tie kit.
Yeah, it's really, it's quite an animal.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah, really enjoyable to drive it again. Like the
Glad you enjoyed
GT2.
it.
Yeah. It's, you know, it's been maybe like 2 years since I drove one, and now you drive 992 Gen.
Yeah.
And you notice so much difference, especially like the front axle and everything else. It's just like such an easier car to drive.
They all say that as every generation comes, they just get easier and easier.
Yes.
And make up more and more average drivers.
Yep.
Better until you run out of talent.
Absolutely.
And then it's still the end result's still the same, is it?
Absolutely.
That's why I think I like this thing, because it's, if you can drive this reasonable,
yeah, then you're a good driver.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, it's quite good. And I think that's kind of it. Tomorrow, one of the upcoming videos, you will see me drive at night in Dubai Autodrome thanks to Motor Hub. So subscribe, like and share, stay tuned. And especially for one of the videos where I will be taking out the 488 challenge. Bye bye.